Hello guys, so I'll be teaching y'all how to make Q- cool pro Q- cool pro cool profile on YT using your Roblox avatar. So first, search emotes on Roblox OFC and then choose Twice I Got You. Wait. Then do this.
Number 11 sa balon. Good day for a date.
And then do this. Okay. Go on Google. Fantastic Pro pictures for profile. So choose this or whatever. Go to Ibis Paint. Gallery. I had to.
Ready to enjoy your chicken choice moments? Try a new chicken joy bucket bears. Pagkikilig. Ang blossom. Siguro kakilala. Even taste. Gasoline's joy. Hanggang siya po.
Oh shoot, I'm bald. Okay. And then choose any airbrush and then choose this color. Then that. Take a screenshot.
Sa pamilya nito, kapwating proyekto ang Bicol Saro para sa pinakamalikas na Bicol Express.
Yeah.
Quezon in just 1 hour. Bicol
And then
in just